So this question is about multiplying decimal numbers where one of them is negative. So in this case, we're looking at a student's work. Glenn multiplied two numbers as shown below. His work is also shown. He started multiplying 107 by 204, and then his final answer is A, either incorrect or correct, and then it should be B, a decimal number. So we have to decide if Glenn made a mistake or not, and then if he did make a mistake, then we should fix it and put in a decimal number. If he didn't make a mistake, then we would just say correct and then put in the answer that he got. So when Glenn did this multiplication, you're multiplying a positive by a negative, and that doesn't really matter at first. You just line them up, and then you go ahead and multiply. 7 times 4 is 28, carry the 2, 4 times 0 is 0, and then plus 2 is 2, so the 2 goes here, and then 4 times 1 is 4. And then we add a 0 in the second line as a placeholder, and then we can skip the 0 times everything, because that's not really going to matter. But then we have to do a second placeholder for the third number we're multiplying. The third number we're multiplying is 2. We take 2 times 7 is 14. So I put down a 4 and carry the 1. 2 times 0 is 0, plus 1 is 1. And then 2 times 1 is 2. So we multiply, we get 21,828. But the rule with decimals is that you have to count the decimals before the problem and then add it to the end. So if we look here, we have 1, 2, 3 total. To the right, 3 places to the right of a decimal point. So that means with our answer, we should move the decimal 1, 2, 3 places to the left. So it should be 21.828. And since one of the numbers is negative, the answer should also be negative. And so when we enter our answer, we would say his answer was incorrect, comma, and then we would actually put the correct answer, which is negative 21.828. So incorrect and negative 21.828. So his main error was not counting the decimal places correctly.